Tesla has reduced the price of their cars, and people are going absolutely insane right now. The price lowering trend began in October when Tesla announced price discounts up to 9% on the Model 3 and the Model Y in China. Tesla dropped its prices for Chinese consumers again earlier this month, this time by 14%. Tesla has also used price cuts to entice buyers in the United States, Canada, and Europe. Now, Tesla offered a $37.50 credit towards a Model Y or Model 3 in early December if the vehicle was delivered in December of 22. Now, according to the website, the discount was increased to $7,500 in the last week of the year. Now, Tesla has returned its focus to the US market. Last Thursday, the company updated its website with new prices for customers. The long-range Model Y is now available for $52,990. Now, that's almost a 20% drop in price. This reduced price base is important because it qualifies customers for the $7,500 federal tax credit. According to the new provisions outlined in the IRA passed into law in August, only electric vehicles priced below $55,000 are eligible for that tax credit. Now, here are the new prices that Tesla recently cut. Let's start off with the Model 3. The Model 3 rear-wheel drive was $46,990 and it now dropped to $43,990. The Model 3 long range has dropped $8,000. The Model 3 Performance was $62,990 and now that has dropped to $53,990. The Model Y long range was $65,990 and now that has dropped to $52,990. The Model Y Performance was $69,990 and that dropped down to $56,990. Now also the Model S and the Model X saw price cuts as well. The Model S was $104,990 and that has dropped to $94,990. The Model S Plaid was $135,990 and now that is $114,990. And of course the Model X, that was $120,990 and now it is $109,990. And then the Model X Plaid was $138,990 and now it's $119,990. Now, if you ask me, these prices are insane right now. And the crazy thing is that these Teslas have been flying off the shelf. Let me know down in the comments if you are thinking about buying a new Tesla now that these price cuts are in effect. Now, Tesla hopes that this will allow its vehicles to remain America's favorite EVs. Now, let's get to the real reason behind Tesla's price drops. Now, the first reason is the high interest rates and broader economic factors aren't really helping out the EV market or cars in general. Most people in the US are feeling the pain of the Fed's current anti-inflationary monetary policy, and the EV market is feeling it too. People are hanging on to their money and they're also staying in cars that they have. Most of people are just waiting for a good deal, and now might be the time. Now, the second reason is that production is finally catching up, or the demand is just not that high for anyone. While many EV manufacturers still have longer delays than most cars, the wait time now is better than ever for many Tesla models. For example, the wait time for the Model 3 standard range used to be long, but now it's only a month or two. So if you have a reservation coming up on one of those and you're thinking about flipping your Tesla, sorry buddy, but you're out of luck. Now let's move on to the third reason. The third reason I feel as though is that the competition has been fierce lately. Now, with new competitors on the way, GM is expecting to begin production of the Chevy Silverado pickup, the Chevy Blazer, and the Equinox Sport EV this year. Tesla has promised to release the Cybertruck since 2019, but has postponed it more than once. It looks like Tesla intends to start production this year, so hopefully we will see a Cybertruck in your driveway. Now, if you were on the fence about getting a Tesla, now might be the time to do so, because who knows if the prices are going to go back up. Now, that will do it for today, folks. Be sure to like the video on your way out. Take it easy, fam, and I will see you in the next video.